Every business owner has those seasons where things get a little chaotic. The jobs keep coming in, the calls keep ringing, but you're really not sure what's actually working and you're afraid of losing that money that's coming in. For me, Jobber used to be where I kept track of all that. It was my schedule, my customers, my invoices. It was how I stayed organized. But lately, Jobber's become something even more. Now with Hey Jobber, and business goals is starting to feel less like a software and more like a business coach. I had a month not too long ago where things were crazy. We were booking pressure washing, window cleaning, gutter cleaning jobs all over the place. And even though we were really busy, I couldn't tell where the real success was coming from. Was it the pressure washing that was more profitable, or were window cleaning customers more loyal? Which one was actually building the business long term? I didn't realize how powerful it is to know those answers until I asked Jobber.
So let's be honest. Most of us start out just trying to keep things straight. Who needs work done? What it costs to be done? When we're supposed to be there? And Jobber has always made that really, really easy. The customer history, their schedules, estimates, and payments, they're all in one spot, easy to find. Not a big deal. But organization is only a small part, an important part, but it's only a part of running a business successfully. And the real challenge when you want to ever get past just you doing all the work, the real challenge is growth. Knowing what to focus on and when, where you're slipping, where things might be falling through the cracks, and how you can actually improve it. And so that's where these new updates do a really amazing job of taking things to another level. Hey Jobber is like having a personal business assistant that actually knows your numbers. When I was in that chaotic season, I literally asked Jobber, "Hey Jobber, how much revenue did I make last month?" Or how much jobs were window cleaning versus pressure washing? What percentage of customers booked multiple services? And within just a few seconds, I had some real answers on my hands. It showed me that while pressure washing brought in more cash up front, my window cleaning customers were actually the ones who came back for other services. They were the ones who were the most loyal, the most consistent, and even more likely to book other services. So that insight began to change how I planned for the next quarter. Hey Jobber didn't just tell me the numbers, it actually helped me to see what matters most. And that's exactly where business goals from Jobber comes in. Every month, Jobber gives me a clear snapshot of my business. The payments collected, jobs completed, conversion rates, new leads, you get it, the important KPIs that we all need to know anyways. But what makes it different is that it doesn't just say, here's what you did. It shows you exactly what's working and where to focus on improving. It's like having a growth plan that updates itself every single month. And instead of guessing what to fix, Jobber tells me exactly what I need to do in order to grow. It's actually really easy to get caught up in just doing the work, the grind, the quotes, the calls, the daily hustle. But at some point, every small business owner hits that wall and you realize being busy isn't the same as growing. And that's where Jobber's new features changed everything for me because they gave me clarity and they helped me to actually step back and see the bigger picture. And it reminded me that the success isn't all about how hard you work. It's actually about working on the right things. And Jobber's not just helping me manage my business now, it's helping me to master it. So while Jobber used to help me stay organized, now it's actually helping me to grow with purpose. Between Hey Jobber and the business goals feature, feels like I've got my own business coach built right into the tools that I already use every day in my front pocket. And if you're ready to stop guessing and start growing and finally get a little clarity in your business, try Jobber for free for 14 days with the link in my description. It's not just an app anymore, it's the growth partner that helps us to think bigger and grow stronger.